Okay, consider a situation where a breach has happened, like it's going on, it's in the play. What kind of monitoring systems and are there? How do you sort of bring the system back?
So this again, this depends a lot on the context, right? There are few standardized things, right, that you have to capture events that come into your system. All of those events, you have to analyze those. But it's no longer, in cloud native terms, it's no longer just, the parameter is not just one thing, right? So there are different events and things that can actually trigger your applications. So you need to know not only the malicious request's source IP, you need to know the destination, the protocol, the fields inside those requests. And there are different solutions for those, right? So a lot of companies, they build in-house things to essentially define the rules that they apply on these events, right? So for example, if there is a cloud environment and you are capturing each event coming in, you will match those events across a set of security rules. And if you find anything malicious and see that this does not fall into the common pattern, there are going to be alerts generated to a specific incident response team. That incident response team has automated pipelines in place to figure out, to see what is this event? Have we seen it before? Is this a DDoS happening? And then there are mitigation pipelines that happen that take appropriate action depending on a particular level of breach, right? So if it's, for example, DDoS, then you may be looking into the way of how do we actually provide additional rate limiting based on this particular request and things of that nature. But it all depends really on the context and the use case. But generally, continuous threat monitoring and incident response are one of the very critical functions of having security in a modern day.